Hello everyone, register account in TikTok without a personal number using the service SMSFAST. Purchasing number for TikTok. Copy purchase number and go to TikTok. Insert the number into the field and click Continue. After requesting the SMS code, return to the SMSFAST. In a few minutes, the code will arrive and we will continue registration. Code has arrived, copy it and return to TikTok. Paste received code. Create a password. Fill up the registration details. Account has been successfully registered and can be used. Link to our service can be found in the video description. Thank you for watching.